Ahoy, mateys! It is 2-card tutorial Saturday, and we are in a pirate theme. Yay! Thinking Pirates of the Caribbean? Is it Caribbean or Caribbean? Which one is it? I don't know. Okay, I'm kind of making it easy, I think. So, I'm not sure, but this is what I've come up with. So, we're going to do step by step. I just worked on these on my Cricut. I will upload this to a file in my Facebook group, Donna, Powered by Creativity. Go join that group and you'll see the files in there. I took these free clip art off of the internet. They don't belong to Cricut. So I'm not taking anything away from anybody. So these are already cut down for A2. So I'm going to cut them real quick and we're going to see where we're at. I don't know dimensionals. I don't know if we're going to use Wink Estella or some stickles. Don't know what we're doing. Don't know. Figure we'll play as we go. But I'm just thinking pirate theme. Pirate theme. How stinking cute are those? Right? Alright, so, oh, I'm going to need that. Do we make it on here? Yeah, that was easy. I'm going to use craft cardstock. Alright. Don't need that. This is all garbage. Alright, so we're going to fold these in half. And we're going to crease it. These are Dollar Tree stickers. Aren't they cute? Aren't they cute? And we're going to crease it. Alright. I'm thinking I made these too big. I did. I made them too big. What was I thinking? Huh. Alright, let's cut the blue off of this. Let's cut the blue off of it. And we'll pop that up on a dimensional. Can I tell you that it is, cheating today, but I know what I'm going to craft tomorrow. So, it is freezing out today. Alright, let me go back, because I just bumbled that. Today is Friday night. It's 5:30. God, where'd the day go? 5:30 on Friday night. And I'm working on the 2-card tutorial Saturday. Because I have to be up and out of the house very early tomorrow. Oh, look at how stinking cute that is. So, I'm not going to cheat. I'm going to do my crafts tomorrow, but I'll probably just make a tag or something. I'll get in here and I'll do something. But I needed the cards to get done. Yes, I yawned. I don't know how I got on that tangent. Oh my goodness. Oh, I was going to say, I'm freezing. I cleaned the entire house today, took a shower, colored my hair, flat ironed it, and now I'm sitting in my office trying to get the 2-card Saturday done, and I am literally freezing to the point where I'm thinking I gotta go get a cup of tea. Yeah. But my house is immaculate. Oh, goodness, I'm loving that. Are you loving that? Alright, dimensionals. Oh yeah, dimensionals. We're going to use dimensionals. I'm going to cut them in half today. Why not? Alright. I am thinking this is so stinking cute. So maybe it'll be a whole weekend of pirate themed cards since I'm on a roll. And we do have a lot of stickers in here, so I don't know. Let's see where this leads us. I'm gonna yawn again. I'm so tired. Oh, I had to take my Fitbit off because I had to charge it, and I think think I did 10,000 steps today just by cleaning the house. Alright, let's give that, I want it to be that side. Because my fold was not perfect. Oh, look at how stinking cute. Alright, dimensionals. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So our family's on the way. So while we're at graduation, they're going to be here getting everything ready for our celebration. The people, because we don't have enough tickets for everybody. So, what was I going to say? I don't even know what I was going to say. Oh my goodness, that's the second time. I don't know what I was going to say. I am tired. Now I yawn. You guys are gonna yawn. Yawn. Yawn? Yawn. Oh my god. So sorry, everybody. I think this treasure map is adorable. And if you have distressing ink, that would probably be really cool to distress that. But I'm trying to be simple for everybody to do in case you don't have. Oh, how stinking cute is this? So let's do this cute little guy and put him on this side. And let's do this cute little guy and put him on this side. Right? And then I'm thinking, I didn't cut out a happy birthday. And I think this is going to go right about there. And I wish this guy was facing that way. No, I like just that. So that says happy birthday, and I think on the inside, I'm bouncing. You guys see this? I'm bouncing. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like that. You guys see that? Happy birthday. And we'll put him in here. To my favorite pirate. I'm going to print out something that says to my favorite pirate. Happy birthday to my favorite pirate. Oh, yay. Okay, so I went back to the drawing board, and I decided to have this print out with it. So this is what your file will look like. I am exhausted, I am tired, and I am not talking correctly. That's okay. Alright, so trying to think of what I made this 3/4 of an inch, the happy birthday sign. So let's see. So when you print out these files, you're gonna have to figure out the cuts. But on the last couple, I made it so that it's real easy to see where you have to cut the lines. I wanted this to be 3/4, and that's just about 3/4. So I'm going to actually go a little smaller. I'm probably gonna go right up to the happy birthday line. Let me cut this straight. And I'm eyeballing this so I have the same amount on each side, give or take a smidgen, and that's perfect. But I wanted to say, see how it says treasure map? I wanted to see that. I want you to be able to see that. That's why I'm making this. That's 3/4. Maybe I'll do 5/8. See where 5/8 leads me. Oh yeah, you know what? That would be very cute. And I think I'm going to round the corners. Keep doing that. I'm going to round the corners with the 1/4 inch. La la. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. I like that. And that goes up on dimensionals. That's a fact. That's a fact, Jack. Oh, wow. Because I wanted to see the treasure map. And I'm going to do 3 dimensionals on this. I'm not sure what chance it's barking at. I don't think my company might be here. I'm trying to get things done. But you know what? Tomorrow, I think, after graduation, I should have time to make Sunday's cards. I know, I'm kind of talking to myself, aren't I? I make fun of my husband when he does that. But in reality, I'm really not talking to myself, I'm talking to you all. And I want to line it up. Yay! Look at that! How stinking cute is this? And that one! Look at these 2 cards. Look at how smart that was. Oh, wow. Oh, I love it. I really think that what did I do with that little pirate dude? I lost a pirate guy. Oh, I did. I put him in here. And then you can write your own sentiment. Happy birthday to my favorite pirate. Alright, so that's this week's 2-card tutorial Saturday. I hope you liked it. Oh, my sweatshirt's dirty. Sorry. I have to focus. So, 2-card tutorial Saturday. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I made you laugh. Have a great day, and I will see you real soon. Bye.